Are you ready to level up from Google Beginner to Productivity Expert? Are you a hands-on learner? Do you learn best by doing? You want to try new things, but you don't know what Google can do, so you don't know what to try. That's why I've taken my background as a teacher, Google certified trainer, and professional organizer and created these short videos and practical hands-on tasks to improve your confidence and ability to be productive inside of your Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Photos, Tasks, and Meet. Within this class, you will master the next level of skills in Gmail, Calendar, and Drive that will take you from beginner to productivity expert. You will become the expert among your peers in no time, showing them all that you've learned. Many people can use docs, sheets, and slides if somebody else creates them and shares them, but in this class, you will create and share these files yourself and learn how to use more advanced features within each of them to increase your productivity. Google Photos, Tasks, and Meet are the next most useful apps that will increase your productivity without additional cost. Google Meet is free video conferencing like Zoom or Skype, but with your Google account, so no new username is needed. Google Photos can be automatically synced with your phone, either Apple or Android, and backed up into the cloud and shared with others. And Google Tasks is my favorite of these three because I am a list person, and Google Tasks integrates with my calendar, Gmail, Docs, and the Tasks app on my phone. Learning how to use these 9 Google apps at a more advanced level will increase your productivity exponentially, lessen the amount of time you spend sending emails and looking for files, and will elevate you to being the Google expert among your colleagues. To level up from Google Beginner to Productivity Expert, register now for the Intermediate Productivity class and learn the skills you'll need to save you time and money.